This video, I'm going to show you how you can remove transitions on all of your slides in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, as you can see here, I have added transitions on all these slides, and I'd like to go ahead and remove them, not from one or two, but all of these slides. And as you can see, they are 21. Now if I go ahead and start removing these transitions one by one, it will take time because I'll need to go ahead and click on each slide and then head to transition, and then now change this transition from the one I had put to none, and you can see that has been removed. However, this is a slow process. It will take time before I can do it on all the others. To remove these transitions once on all these slides, go ahead and use a combination of Ctrl+A on your keyboard, and then you will see all the slides will be selected, as you can see here. Then head over to transitions here, and it will show the transitions that have been added to all the slides. Now under this, click down here and choose none, and this will go ahead and remove all the transitions if I click on apply to all slides. And now you can see all the transitions have been removed on these slides. So that's how you can remove transitions on all of your slides in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.